So what do you do to develop credit scores? I do not like the authorized user. I think it's the worst choice out of all of them. Here's why. Number one is if that account ever goes delinquent, it's going to show up on your credit. If you're not monitoring it all the time, you could be paying much higher insurance premiums and everything else because you don't even know that it went delinquent. I had a situation where the owner of the account passed, and then the estate was trying to come after my authorized user borrower. Even though there was no legal way to do it, they still were trying to go after her. So, it opens some stuff up. And I've talked to folks too, where some collectors initially try to put pressure on you saying, yeah, you owe it. You absolutely do not owe money on an authorized user account. My preference is to open up a secured credit card. So did it with my kids when they were 18. I said, take in some money. That is your credit limit. I actually made the payments because I wanted to make sure when they were younger, the payments were made. Any extra fun stuff they put on it, they had to give to me, right? They had to give me the cash. But within a few years, by the time they were off on their own, they had credit scores above 720. You can also do a cost builder loan offered by some credit unions and community banks where the borrower funds in a locked in saving account. You can get a payment rating on that. You can also consider stuff like Experian Boost, where you can add utilities to your credit score. But always work with a pro like me. I can help. And then there's changes with automated underwriting, even on the conventional world, where I may not need scores. So we're starting to get some findings. We have to run through the automated, but we can help develop the scores. Authorized user, worst choice in my opinion.